Hi everyone, my name is Hailey and I'm a first year transfer student here at UCLA studying applied linguistics. I just finished up my first year and I have lived at Hedrick Summit for the past 9 months. I wanted to show you guys around, so I'll be showing you a tour of my suite, the bathroom, and at the end I'm going to give you a few other tidbits about Hedrick Summit and about the suite in general. So please stay tuned if that's something you're interested in. We're going to jump in right now. Coming down the main hallway, you'll see the entry to our suite. The private entryway leads into a common area, which includes this table and a set of chairs. There are 2 doors, each with 5 rooms and a single shared bathroom between those 5 people, so there are a total of 10 people living in this suite. So this is where we're going to start off. So I have a door, obviously. I've put a command hook, and this is where I put my robe and my towels after I shower. Onto the next wall. So there is a light switch and a thermostat thing that I keep here. Honestly, still have no idea how to actually control the temperature in here, so I've just been freezing for 9 months while I've lived here. This is a tapestry that I got on Amazon for like literally $10. Come over and show you my desk. Okay. So bright. Let's start at the top. These are my high school and community college diplomas that I have proudly on display because I'm quite happy with them. And then just a few trinkets, this little elephant that I bought at Marshall's. By the way, about 90% of the stuff in this room decor-wise is from Marshall's, Home Goods, or TJ Maxx. Picture of me and my friends, and this little book that my roommate, or my suite mate, Jessica got me for my birthday. So sweet. This little globe is from World Market. I believe this was $15. This little pink floral box is a memory box. I'll show you guys inside. I just keep, sorry if it's loud, different little keepsakes in here, concert tickets, my business cards from my first job, my ID from my last job, cool stuff like that. And this skull, I think I got this at Marshall's, but it was like a Halloween decoration that was on clearance. A picture of me and my coworkers at a winery, me and my dad, a mirror. This is a really nice mirror I got at TJ Maxx for like $10. Yeah, it's like one of those magnification mirrors. Okay, and then obviously there's a chair. The university provides the desk, the chair, and the hutch, but I would definitely recommend getting some type of cushion. Honestly, more cushiony than the one that I have because this one did nothing for me. I was still very sore after sitting on this chair. And then we have a little pull-out drawer thing. I keep random things here that I need to access when I'm studying. Honestly, I don't study here a lot, but I keep my planner, my hard drive, extra paper, and a notebook. Show you inside. This obviously I just keep extra office supplies, school supplies in here. It honestly used to be way more organized. Then in here I just keep makeup. So these 2 drawers are the same size. The one on the bottom is huge though. So I keep a lot of paper, literally printer paper in here, but extra papers, like these are my notes from my final. And just like random stuff in here, textbooks that I'm not using anymore. So this is a really good storage area. There is a recycling bin. The room comes with a recycling bin and a trash bin, which I'll show you in a minute. I have extra pillows, one of these arm pillow things. I don't know what you call them, but I live for these because I pretty much live in my bed. And my fan. Moving over to the bed. I'll try to link things in the description if I can find them. This bedspread is from Pottery Barn Teen. I believe it was like $150, might have been a little bit more than that. Yeah, it was pricey, but I really liked it, so I splurged. This little really soft blanket is from Marshall's. Along the walls, just to add a little color, I put, these are pictures of me and my friends on my 21st birthday. At the top is a wall specifically reserved for me and my friends Meadow and Jasmine. The window, I want to talk about the window. The curtains come with the room. Honestly, they're very dirty. I don't know why they don't just replace the curtains because they're pretty gross. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know where the stains came from. I don't want to know where the stains came from. And then over here, okay. So technically, I'm pretty sure this is against university housing code, but as you can see, there's no screen on the window. I constructed my own screen out of some supplies that I got at Home Depot because there was no way that I was gonna let any bugs even think they were gonna get in here. Moving over to this wall. Okay, so this is a little art print that I got at an art sale on campus for like 12 bucks. It's really cute and it goes with the colors in my room. Over here, more art prints. I got these at Marshall's. Let me show you what's on the desk. Okay, so this is a really cool lamp. Folds out, and then I don't know how well you'll be able to see it because it's daylight right now, but you can kind of see it, so let me tilt it up. So you can change the colors on it. Yeah, you can kind of tell. And then you can turn it up or down to your liking. It also actually connects to a speaker, so you could do that. Remote for a fan, Kleenex, picture of me and my mom, a little jewelry holder. And then in this drawer, I'm not gonna really go through it. I'll just show you one drawer. It's not huge. If you have a lot of clothes, I would definitely recommend getting extra storage. But let me show you under the bed as well, because this could potentially be an area for storage. So I did not loft my bed, but I still managed to get a good amount of space under here to put things. I have just like a box with some decorations for like past holidays and extra like bathroom supplies and things that I need. This beige square thing right here holds shoes, my suitcase, and then over there you can see all my chargers, which I tucked away for this video. This little string of heart things you can actually clip pictures to. It is actually a Valentine's Day decoration, but I never took it down because I thought it was so cute. And then these two posters are actually the posters for the quarter schedule. So this was for winter quarter, which passed. I just kept it up because I thought it was really colorful, went with the theme of my room. And then this one is for spring quarter. It's so pretty, I love it. So yeah, once again, posters for the quarter. I purchased this little storage cubby thing on Amazon. I believe it was like $45. The printer, which my dad insisted on buying me, you definitely don't need a printer. There are printing stations all over UCLA, but my dad really wanted to buy me this, so I let him. Not like I had much of a choice. The garbage bin that I was speaking of earlier, this is a little handheld vacuum that is nice in a pinch, but also just a note. Most UCLA front desks, you can rent vacuums, like full-size vacuums for your room, so it's not an absolute necessity, but I'm pretty much a clean freak, so it's a necessity for me. These are just extra boxes that I never threw away, but it's fine because I'm moving out tomorrow, so I'll use them then. And okay, this is the wardrobe, so this is included with the room as well. Also, by the way, you see there are 2 telephones on the top. Those are included with the room. Really not sure why, because everyone has a cell phone nowadays, but I never use them. I also don't know why there are 2 and this is a single suite. But let me show you inside of the wardrobe. So this is actually pretty spacious, depending on how much clothes or stuff that you put in here. Back up so you can get a full view. So yeah, pretty spacious. You can see that it does come with a mirror. It is not a full-length mirror, but you can pretty much see your entire body. So on that side there's the mirror. I have one of these hooks and I just put coats, jackets, shopping bags, reusable shopping bags. Along the top, this is a good area for shoes. I have some shoes, but not all of my shoes. Hats, umbrella, and what is that thing called that you hold the camera on? Can't remember right now. Okay, and then there are 2 additional drawers at the bottom. I just like put towels in these, but just to give you an idea of how big they are. Not huge, but good for like towels and stuff like that. And then let me show you actually how deep the closet is. So pretty deep. You could fit a decent amount of stuff in here. I obviously have toiletries. This is like an overnight bag. And then like cleaning supplies back here. Yeah. Close that up. Okay. And then over here, ooh, that was loud. Over here, so this is a laundry cart / ironing board. This is an ironing board, but it doesn't work very well because there's no like point, so I don't know how you're supposed to iron. Never actually used it because my iron broke, but I bought this on Amazon. I believe this was also like 40 bucks. Some books that I need to return to the library before I move out. And then this poster is actually the backside of that quarter schedule. I just thought it was really cute and it matched the colors of my room. It's kind of inspirational. Let me show you guys an overview of this. This is a little name tag thing I got for Volunteering at Bruin Day, just some little stickers and things that I printed offline. I think this is from Marshalls. It was probably like 15 bucks once again. Picture of my cat, cross, concert poster, my backpack. Alright, so now I'll be taking you guys into the restroom. So, it is a communal bathroom. I share it with 4 other people. There are 2 vanities and they all have this thing, but no one ever uses it. And my suite restroom, obviously very straightforward. It does come with a garbage can. Same situation going on over here, and then there are towel racks, as you can see. Inside the shower, which is actually really spacious, to be honest. I mean, not super spacious, but a lot more spacious than I expected it to be. It's a little bit low, so if you're tall, that might be an issue. But other than that, it's a pretty large bathroom that multiple people can use at once. So now that you've seen the suite, I want to tell you a little bit more about it. The bathroom does get cleaned every week by University Housekeeping. They supply toilet paper and take out our trash, as well as like clean the toilet, the vanity, the shower, and sweep and all that good stuff. In addition, the suite, like I said, there are 10 people living in total, 5 on my side, 5 on the other side. The suite is single sex, so there are only girls living on this side. The floors at Hedrick Summit, however, are co-ed, so there are girls and guys. And I'm pretty sure all of the floors are like that at Hedrick Summit. I'm positive that there are some dorms, some housing options that do offer just single sex floors. If that's something that you're interested in, you just have to kind of take a look around on University Housing website, but that's Hedrick Summit. Like I said, all the units are air conditioned. That includes not only my room, but the hallway and the common area. There are 2 lounges on each floor. One lounge is more of a quiet study lounge, and the other lounge is kind of like a fun party lounge. Overall, my experience at Hedrick Summit has been pretty positive. I've talked about this in detail in some other videos, which I will link up here in the suggestions bar. But if you're interested in learning more about my experience at UCLA, community college, or transfer experience, please consider subscribing. I post about this stuff every week. If you have any other questions though, leave a comment down below. Definitely check out my other videos, like I said, and I will be responding to comments on a daily basis, so I'll try to get back to you. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next Saturday at 3 p.m. Bye!